Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So today I'm going to continue on my little air tooling series. Now, as you've seen in the Blacksmith haul video, hopefully that's already been released, I have got a lot of these tools that I went out and bought. Now, these are for jobs coming up, a little chasing job that I'm going to be doing. But that's not what this video is about. What this video is about is taking and showing how you can very easily convert these into several different size punches. Now, if you need a larger size punch than what these are in the diameter shaft here, you'll have to obviously do like we've done in other videos, weld on a bit. Weld on something else of a bit. Now, the difference will be you'll have to weld on something high carbon tool steel in order to take and be a punch and be able to withstand the beating. But, as you can see here, I've made myself a little 1/4 inch punch to go into the air tool. This here is going to be a 3/8 inch punch. This here is going to be close to a 1/2 inch. This is actually just a fuzz under 1/2 inch, so that's fine. You can end up, drifting it out the rest of the way fairly easy. And so I'm going to just show you how we take and make those real quick. This is going to be a very quick video. I hope you all enjoy it. I probably talked longer than what it's going to take for the video to do, but it showcases you. Be on the lookout for the video of the hot punching. I think I've already got that up on the channel if you're watching this video. I'll leave it in the description below and on the end cards or end screens at the end of this video where you can watch how you can hot punch with these tools. Now, one of the things is I'm going to leave one of these just regular the way it is. I do not intend on punching anything this small, as this contacting hot material, it's just going to mushroom out real quick. So there is a limit. I would say 1/4 inch hole is probably your limit on this type of punch tooling, unless you have these made out of some sort of titanium or something that can really take the heat on across a little small surface area like that. But I'm going to just use this as like a drift. It's a real easy way of just keeping this as a drift, to essentially drift out holes a little bit bigger than what they are. So that's what you can do with these type air tools. I have other videos I'm going to show you. I did some hot chiseling. I should have a video up on that. If it's not up now, it'll be up soon. But where I did some hot chiseling, you can leave one of these as a cold chisel in, and then I'm going to be showing you how to take and actually make a slitting chisel out of it. Fairly simple and easy, and we'll go through the process of rehardening and retempering, just so this way it can take that type of abuse. So stick around for those videos. Hope you guys enjoy it. Here, let's get to it, and I'll just show you my method of getting these to shape. Okay, so there you are. As you can see, this was a very quick video. It didn't take long to nip those little tips off there and shorten these to the actual length that we're looking for. You know, and then that gives us our desired diameter down to 1/4 inch. I hope you guys can see that very well. So now, very quickly, as you can see, I've made myself a 3-piece punch set. You know, it's worth buying these things in bulk if you can. They don't run that high. These long shanked ones, I think they run about $8. They run anywhere from $8 to $21, depending on where you buy them from. I'll put some links in the description down below that you guys can, some affiliate links that you guys can go look at them. I do not know what notable steel these are. I don't know if they're any good of tool steel or not. They all seem to be fairly soft. None of them seem brittle or hard in any way, shape, or form. So we'll do some testing on that at a later date. They do weld up very well, as you can see, like with this example, and they hold up pretty good to that. Eventually this will end up snapping and I'll just have to regrind and re-weld, but it's no big deal. You know, and that's just a mild steel bit on the end. And, you know, yeah, you can come up with about 1,000 different shapes and sizes. These here, I would suggest that you save. I mean, well, one, they're just kind of cool, just have these like little cones sitting around, but you never know what you might need these for. I don't know of a use just yet. May put down in the comment section what I could use something like this for, and let me know what you've used them for, if you've ever done this sort of type thing before. And who knows, maybe we can all learn something together. But that's going to be it for this video. As you can see, the tooling series progresses. There's 1,000,001 different things that you can do. I have a few more videos that I want to showcase some of these different things that you see here in the process. I want to continue to show off a few more videos here on this subject, but really the possibilities are endless. And let me tell you, if you haven't seen the punching or the chiseling video, this thing makes it lickety split. So definitely something maybe you want to look into and check out. Before I go, I know this video's went on long enough, but before I go, quick shout out, there's some people who were commenting about whether I ever thought about clamping this in a stand and using it as a little miniature power hammer kind of thing. Although that may work, I've seen there's C-frame designs and stuff for like planishing and things, and that can work for metal shaping and planishing out metal and stuff. This is not a real power hammer, so this will not shape metal to the same degree as like a large power hammer with big dies hitting it and things like that. It's a little different in the way that it operates, but it still moves metal. So you can do very light forging operations with this and move quite a bit of material. As you can see with making this rivet set here, hopefully you guys can see this, let me look around here. It was enough to take and forge up these corners here. That wasn't hit on by a hammer. When it drove this, it literally drove this down into the anvil block and it swelled out this top portion. So it has enough power to do some forming, and this is 1 inch. Upset a little bit to about 1.25 inches, almost 1 3/8 inches. So this thing definitely has the power that it can move some material. You're only limited by your particular air hammer's hitting capacity and your imagination. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big like. If you disliked it, go ahead and give it a big thumbs down. Chances are you already did that, and it all counts for engagement, so I thank you anyhow. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Like I always say, God bless you, and we will catch you on the next one.